Welcome, we are Sea Leg Journeys. Today we left Port Canaveral and are heading south on I-95 going to the Port of Miami to get on the Norwegian breakaway. Our next exit is going to be at the 826 East. That's coming up next. Today we want to help give you step-by-step instructions, and we'll pause at the road signs that you'll need to see along the way. Keep in mind your GPS may give you alternate routes to bypass heavy traffic. From here we're going to go 11 miles to exit 2D. We're coming up close to our exit, so watch for the sign. Okay, just stay in this left lane. You're heading towards that tunnel. Be sure to stay in the left 2 lanes. There's still a lot of construction going on in Miami, so be sure to watch the posted speed limits as they do change. This right here was a 35-mile-an-hour speed limit. Shortly up ahead, we're going to be going over a bridge, and then we'll be entering the tunnel. And here you're going to want to go ahead and get into the left lane. If you watch ahead at the top right, you'll see the cruise ships over there. I saw a whale tail. Okay, we're entering the tunnel. Be sure to get in the left lane so you can get on those cruise ships. Robin from Sea Lake Journeys can barely contain her excitement. She's ready to get on the ship. Stay in the left 2 lanes if you're heading to a cruise ship. Okay, since we're in Terminal B, we're going to stay to the right. Terminal B parking and the drop-off is going to be in the center lane. As you pull into the parking garage, the luggage drop-off is on your right-hand side. After you drop your luggage off, you will pull up to a machine and take a ticket. When you come back from your cruise, you'll take the ticket back down to a machine and pay to get out. Thanks for joining us on our ride into Port Miami. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks.
If you would like to support this channel, please consider becoming a member or hit the super thanks icon below. We really do appreciate it. Until next time, we'll see you around the channel.
See you around the channel.